storm windows, I don't even know if anybody sells them today, because the building codes of most municipalities in our area require at least double glass. So a storm window, I'm old enough I remember these, was a window that was screwed onto the outside of your old window. And in most cases, people had wood windows back in the day, and storm windows were made out of metal, and they were screwed onto the outside of the home, and the whole design was it protected your wood window from storms. Well, by putting that additional layer on the outside, people would try to convince you, well, you've got another layer of glass and to protect, stop the hot and cold from permeating. Well, glass is a conductor, and metal's a big-time conductor. And so by putting a storm window on it, didn't increase the efficiency of the window one bit. It just stopped direct elements, hopefully, wind, rain, and snow. But it didn't do anything for the efficiency. It did give you a screen, though. But even like those, again, I remember this when I was a kid, the storm window was such a pain in the neck to clean, and you had to take the storm out and put the screen in and da-da-da-da. So very, very few people deal with storm windows anymore. I honestly don't know of anybody here in our area, but as a storm window is not anything for efficiency. It's not anything for durability. It's just something else to clean.